Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to create a clan in Golf Clash application using your mobile device. First of all, launch the Golf Clash app on your device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the clan icon at the bottom right corner. Go to the top of the screen and tap on Create, and then enter your details for your clan. Type down the name for your clan in the first field. Make sure that the name that you are trying to add is unique and click the Submit button. Now, select your clan's icon. You can choose one by tapping Design and then select your design. You can also customize the backgrounds, foregrounds with the help of the options available and then click on Save. Now once you have added your icon, go ahead and select your location from the menu available. Enter the description for your clan and select the type of your clan from the menu at the bottom. Choose if your clan is open, invite only or closed. Select the minimum player level required to join your clan and click on the Create button at the bottom. Remember that in order to create a clan, you must spend 250 diamonds. If you have it, you can simply tap on Create and your clan will be created. You can then invite your friends or other players to join by sharing your clan invite link or through the game's invite system. And that's how you have successfully created your very own clan in Golf Clash. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.